Howdy folks, Isaac Martinez here with Blake Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland. Today we are driving a 24 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I just wanted to jump on here real quickly and actually show you guys how the lane assist works in these vehicles. There's actually going to be a button right up here. It'll be the second one from the left, and your lane assist will always be on unless the light is illuminated, at which point it is turned off. So to make sure that it's on, just press your button, the light goes away, and then there's actually a little icon right, and as you start to stray over that line, it'll actually nudge you back into the middle of the lane, and then it will highlight it once again. Alrighty folks, so hopefully this has been helpful, and of course if you have any questions, you can feel free to call me at 254-434-7212, or you can always stop on by 9610 Interstate Highway 20 there in Eastland, and we'd be happy to help out. Thank y'all so much.